ऑसम 20 का पार्ट हूँ एंड मैंने देखा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस प्रिवेंशन पे है, तो ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। आपका मोबाइल से मैदान तक जो है, उस चीज़ ने मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया। कांग्रेचुलेशंस पूरी टीम को कि आपने 3 हफ्ते में 35,000 डोनेट कर भी दिए ऑलरेडी। ये काफ़ी फास्ट है मेरे हिसाब से, बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। सो नीलेश जी ने कहा कल कि हम 3 डॉक्टर हैं, तो हम 3 नहीं है, हम 2 हैं, पर हम एक और एक मिलके 11 के बराबर हो जाते हैं। सो थैंक यू हमारा पोटेंशियल पहले ही गेज करने के लिए। अभी आप मुझे बोलिए कि अगर आपने स्माइल किया, अच्छे से स्माइल किया, तो आपका दिन कैसे जाता है? क्या आप किसी के दिन पे इम्पैक्ट कर पाते हैं, सिर्फ अपनी स्माइल से?
Yes, of course, yes.
Yes. So I always say a smile is a curve that makes everything straight, you know. So पर हम कितना ध्यान देते हैं अपनी स्माइल की तरफ? ब्रश तो करते हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा कितना ध्यान देते हैं? How many of us take care of our smile?
Very few.
Very few,
Very
yes. So there's like सिर्फ 2% इंसान डेंटल हेल्थ के को ध्यान देते हैं बेसिकली, सिर्फ 2%। ये बहुत ही लो रहता है। तो मुझे एक बताइए, अगर आपको दर्द नहीं है, हाँ, आपके बॉडी में दर्द नहीं है, क्या इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आप सेहतमंद हो, आप तंदुरुस्त हो?
नहीं।
नहीं।
No. So the absence of pain doesn't mean that you are healthy.
Right.
अब और एक प्रश्न है, क्या प्रिवेंशन में ज्यादा खर्चा होता है या ट्रीटमेंट में?
ट्रीटमेंट में।
ट्रीटमेंट में, राइट। पॉकेट पे भी हैवी होता है और पेन भी होता है, करेक्ट?
राइट।
तो हम आगे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाले हैं, उस इंफॉर्मेशन में ये हमारा इरादा, ये इंटेंशन है कि आप ऐसे कुछ चीजें पिक कर पाए जिससे आप कहीं पे भी हो, हम पुणे में, आप कहीं और हो इस वर्ल्ड में, पर आपके स्माइल पे हम इम्पैक्ट कर पाए। सो ओवर टू यू डॉक्टर शीतल, we'll take some takeaways today.
Happy morning, everybody. This is Dr. Sheetal. So thank you, Shamal. Thank you, Satish. Thank you, Nilesh. And thank you, Namdev ji, for a lovely introduction and making this a comfortable place. Such a good platform to connect with all of you, such a big family. So thank you very much. So oral care के बारे में जब हम सोचते हैं, the first thing pops into our head is brush and a toothpaste. So are we actually choosing our brush? So let's just find out. तो जब आप ब्रश चूज करते हो, तो there are some characteristics that you need to follow. So look for a very comfortable grip. Okay, so the second thing is use always a soft bristled toothbrush. So when you use a soft bristled toothbrush, you are not going to abrade your teeth out of its enamel, जो आपका protective cover होता है दांत का. So soft brush is good enough. Medium or hard brush आप मत use कीजिए. Okay, so third thing would be like कि आप brush के साथ एक tongue cleaner अगर आप choose कर रहे हैं, तो use a tongue cleaner brush. It is more easy to use. If you are comfortable using a tongue cleaner separately, but this is more easier to use. So choose a brush with a tongue cleaner, right? There's a new bamboo brush which is available. It is available on all the e-commerce sites. So if you are actually living a very holistic lifestyle, तो आप एक bamboo brush choose कीजिए. It is more natural. It is biodegradable. It has some carbon infused particles. So carbon क्या करता है? It absorbs all your bacteria, all the food particles. So it helps in cleansing. It keeps your teeth stain free. It keeps your breath very fresh. So try to use a bamboo brush. So this is like a bamboo brush. I can show it to you. So these are the bristles. They are always soft. It's a very good brush. I've been using it from a long time. If you do not find it on the e-commerce sites, we do keep it at our clinics. You'll definitely get this. You'll have to just go out of your way because they are not available in the medical store. So how do we brush? So we just should not go like, brushing one way direction, up, down, circular brushing kijiye. Because if you go one way, you're going to only abrade your teeth. So go in a circular motion while you're brushing your teeth. So brushing के बारे में तो हो गया. So what kind of toothpaste should we use? So we would recommend कि आप सुबह एक gel paste use कीजिए. Gel paste contains mouthwash, so mouthwash will keep you freshness for a long time. आप शाम के टाइम आप you use a herbal toothpaste. So herbal toothpaste इस्तेमाल करने का तरीका होगा कि आप पहले आपके फिंगर पे लीजिए, put it around your gums, okay, massage your gums, और फिर आपने तो पेस्ट लगा दिया है, so use a brush and just wash it off. Try to choose a non-fluoridated herbal toothpaste. Fluoride हमें वैसे भी पानी से काफी मिल जाता है, so we do not need additional fluoride through our toothpaste. And a fluoride toothpaste should only be recommended by a dentist. अगर आप fluoride toothpaste use करेंगे तो dentist के prescription से ही use कीजिए. Do not use it for a prolonged period of time, not more than 3 months, because this will only cause you fluoride toxicity. Okay? अभी कितना आपको टूथपेस्ट कितनी यूज करनी है? So for children up to 6 years of age, you only need a rice grain amount of toothpaste. And for the elderly, you need just a pea size of toothpaste. So आप pastage मत कीजिए. You don't have to load your brush completely with toothpaste. All you need is a small pea size of toothpaste. Okay. So brushing ho gaya. So how many of us are actually flossing every day? Anybody flossing every day?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, that's good. So we have some kinds of flossers. So this is like a string flosser. Now, why do we need to floss? Flossing will, brushing just removes only about 80% of the bacteria from your mouth. The remaining 20% is in between your teeth. So we do not clean our interdental spaces with our brush. So you need a floss, use it once in a day. A string flosser is like you just tie it around your fingers and you have to push it in between your teeth. A next handy option is that you have a floss pick. So this has a floss and a toothpick end. So toothpick end, you can just push in your food, and the floss end, you can just push it through the interdental spaces into your tight contacts, and you can use this floss pick. The next option is a water flosser. तो आप जैसे कार और आपके vehicles motorized पानी से wash करते हो, so this is the similar action. It is used for a pressure washing of your teeth. It's a very good handy instrument. I must recommend that all of you all start using this. This will just flush out all the bacteria. Use it once in the day. Use it in the evenings. A very simple rule that you all need to follow is a rule of 2. आप 2 बार brush कीजिए. आप 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा brush ना करें. And change your brush after every 2 months. So that is the rule of 2. Just stick to that. Do you know that Japanese, they brush after every meal? So even the school-going children, they carry their toothbrush and toothpaste to school. And they have a very nice, beautiful culture, like it's called the Hamigaki culture, where the children learn how to brush along with their parents. So this is like a family bonding activity that they follow. So it's a very nice Hamigaki culture that the Japanese follow. So let's talk about, anybody here doing oil pulling?
I'm doing.
That's great. Lovely. So oil pulling में आप क्या करते हो? So you use a spoonful of cold pressed oil, any cold pressed oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use sesame oil. बस एक spoonful of coconut oil आप use कीजिए. Put it into your mouth, swish it around your mouth for 2 minutes. उसके बाद आप जब spit करोगे तो do not spit it into your sink. Spit it into your washroom because it will clog your sink. Oil pulling से it just pulls out all the toxins from your mouth. And आप जब spit करोगे तो आप देखोगे कि आपके oil का color is quite different. It's more turbid. So it is pulling out all the toxins from the mouth. So do try oil pulling. It's really good for your gums. You can use coconut oil, sesame oil. You can look up for a lot of videos how to do it online. Now, when should you do oil pulling? So I must say that do oil pulling first thing in the morning. And आप जब उठते हो तो inculcate a good habit of drinking warm water first thing in the morning before even brushing. The reason being कि आपके मुंह में जो salivary enzymes होते हैं जो throughout the night collect होते हैं, आप सुबह उठकर उनको spit कर देते हो. The first thing is take a glass of warm water and you just swallow all the enzymes. This is going to aid in your digestion, and it is very, very important. Aap spit na kare. Then you can start with your oil cooling. Aap oil cooling kijiye. Once your oil cooling is done, wait for 5 minutes and then brush. So this is how you can follow your morning regime. Okay. So let's talk about some superfoods. I'm sorry, am I going too fast? Everyone here?
Yes.
Okay.
Comfortable.
All right. So let's talk about some superfoods, what we can eat to enhance our smile, a very beautiful smile, to have healthy smile, healthy teeth and gums. So first thing is an honorary mention is to water. आप पानी पीजिए, बहुत सारा पानी पीजिए. Have 3 to 4 liters of water. Do not have it at one time. Have 3 to 4 liters throughout the day. This will keep your oral cavity hydrated and clean, and it will also wash out all the toxins from your body. So second thing is you can look in for fruits. So fibrous fruits like apples and pears. Up pura fruit, have the whole fruit, do not juice it. So when you're eating or chewing on the fruit, it is going to activate the saliva in your mouth, and it is going to flush out all the food particles and the bacteria that is left into your mouth. Try to have at least 2 fruits in a day as recommended by dietitians. It is good for your oral cavity. It is good for your health as well. So you can start having some, you can add some calcium rich foods into your food, into your meals every day. You can have tofu, you can have soya, you can have cheese, you can have some leafy green vegetables. These green leafy vegetables are really rich in calcium, folic acids. They're very good for your bones and your teeth. So add them into your meals. Add some vitamin C rich fruits. Vitamin C is very important for the collagen buildup of your dentine. So dentine is the second layer of your tooth. So it helps in the formation of the collagen of your dentine. So add some vitamin C rich foods into your diet. Then you can, if someone wants a very bright smile, so nature has given us a very good option in the form of strawberries. See, strawberry is a natural tooth white cleaner. So whenever strawberry is in season, try to have raw strawberries, fresh strawberries that will whiten up your teeth. It has malic acid. Malic acid absorbs all the stains and keeps your teeth brighter. You can add carrots and celery. Carrot is a very good natural nature's dental floss. So you chew on raw carrot and it is going to flush out all the food particles and the bacteria that is present in your mouth. And yes, some few habits that we need to follow is up continuously slacking na kare. The more times you attack and the more times you eat, that is, you'll increase the number of attacks onto your teeth. So you contain it for 3 to 4 meals in the day. Have a lot of water. Keep rinsing after every meals, and this should take care of your dental health. All your dental needs, that should be done. So thank you so much. I think I've just gone through this like a bullet train. So thank you so much. And I just request everybody that you all follow a sustainable lifestyle. Go in for more organic things. Take care of yourself and keep smiling. So thank you so much.
So, Dr.
Ma'am,
Sheetal,
one
there are few
question.
questions. There
Yes.
are questions. So, yeah, Ritesh, go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am, in the end you said a word you used, slacking. I did not understand the meaning of
Snacking,
slacking.
frequent snacking.
Snacking. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, I
if you keep
understand.
eating
Sorry.
a lot of times, that will increase the attack on your teeth.
Okay, I'm sorry, I heard it wrong. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Can you recommend a toothpaste and a gel?
Sorry, come again?
Can you recommend a toothpaste and a gel?
A gel paste can be any mouthwash paste. आप सुबह Pepsodent gel use कीजिए, Colgate gel use कीजिए, any transparent paste. And evening आप अगर herbal paste use करने वाले हो तो आप meswak use कीजिए, because meswak is non-fluoridated. So I'd really recommend that you use meswak. Any other herbal paste आप उसका content check करके फिर ही आप use कीजिए.
Dr. Sheetal, how about massaging the gums?
Yes. So you create a habit of first taking your paste, the herbal paste that you use in the evenings, on your finger. आप आपके सारे मसूड़ों पर लगा लीजिए. Then pull your gums towards your teeth. If it's your upper jaw, you pull them down.
Yeah.
If it's your lower teeth, you pull them upwards. और आपकी तो पेस्ट लगी हुई है, then just use your brush and then wash it off. So this is like an everyday activity which will take care of the health of your gums. Very important.
Thank you.
Dr. Sheetal,
Thank you.
Sandeep Kohli this side. First of all, thanks for such a wonderful description and presentation. मेरे साथ एक issue है, my teeth are yellow for many years.
Okay.
I've tried so many things, but the color is not white. I don't know what to do.
See, if
That's
you
the
are
reason.
a fair-skinned person, then generally you will have a yellow tone to your teeth. So if it is a natural tone, there's nothing to worry about it. If you need it for some cosmetic reasons, तो आप bleaching करा सकते हो. But in bleaching, we use acid attacks on your teeth. So if you are really very conscious about your smile, फिर आप bleaching करा लो. And second thing is observe whether you have a layer of deposits on your teeth. If there's a deposit on your teeth, then this is something that we can remove through a cleaning procedure. और फिर आपकी जो teeth का natural tone है, वो maintain हो जाएगा. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.
How about using gargles with salt or
Very good.
Listerine? What do you
Yes.
recommend?
Yes, I would recommend that. So this is like an age-old, हमारे जो नानी माँ जो सब use करते थे. So आप थोड़ा सा sesame oil या ये mustard oil use कीजिए. उसमें थोड़ा सा सेंधो नमक, 2 drops of lemon juice, make a nice paste out of it, और वो आप आपके मसूड़ों पर लगाकर अच्छी तरह से मसाज कीजिए, and you see the results. Use it in the night and see it in the morning. आपका जो bad breath होता है, आप सुबह उठकर जो freshness feel करना चाहते हो, you'll get it through this.
Can you repeat it, all the ingredients, please?
Yeah, it is सेंधो नमक, just a pinch of सेंधो नमक, 2 drops of lemon juice, and mustard oil, just 2 drops of mustard oil. Yeah, just make a paste out of it, and you can use that.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ma'am, could please
Dr.
tell us
Sheetal.
from where we can get the brush?
See, it is available on Amazon, on Flipkart, everywhere. Otherwise, you can just, if you are based in Pune, then you all can just pick it up from our clinics.
Okay, thank you. I'm in Delhi, so I'll have to order.
You can
it.
check on Amazon. It's easily
Okay.
available.
Thank you.
You can
thank you.
use these carbon-infused bamboo toothbrushes. It's good for nature, trust me. It's biodegradable. It has soft bristles. It's got everything you need. So use a bamboo brush.
Thanks
Is it
a lot.
available on Amazon?
It is available on Amazon. आप हर 2 महीने के बाद अगर brush change करने वाले हैं, तो we are creating a lot of plastic. So our second role in this on this planet is to reduce, recycle. So please do not create a lot of wastage.
Thank you.
I am from Pune. Will you give us an address?
Yes, we'll share the address with you, sir.
Okay.
Dr. Sheetal, there's one question. Can we do oil pooling daily?
Yes, we should do oil pooling daily. It's a very good habit, but अगर आप नहीं कर पाते हो, every day, so at least try to do it once or twice in the week, and you see the results. It will just pull out all the toxins from your mouth.
Okay, great. So I think we're just about touching time. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Dr. Shamal,
thank
Dr. Sheetal. Now,
Thank you
before
very
we
much.
end, we just need 2 more minutes before.
Yeah.
Om Prakash ji, आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं? Please बोलिए.
हाँ, ये मैं जब ब्रश करता हूँ तो थोड़ा फास्ट करता हूँ और फिर अंदर मार लगती है, थोड़ा इंजुरी होती है कि बिकॉज
Okay.
फिर वो swelling,
तो आप चेक कीजिए कि आपका ब्रश का हेड काफी बड़ा तो नहीं है. Use a very small head brush, so it is not going to injure your gums and teeth. And आप जोर से तो बिल्कुल ब्रश मत कीजिए. अगर आप जोर से ब्रश करो तो just close your thumb. आप अगर thumb ब्रश पर रखोगे, so this will add more pressure. Just close your fist and then brush. आप देखो तो आपका pressure automatically कम हो जाएगा. So you will not injure yourself.
दांत खराब तो सारी तंदुरुस्ती खराब बोलते हैं.
जी.
How about electric
The oral
brushes?
cavity is 80% of your digestion. आप 80% का ख्याल रखिए, आपकी health as it is improve हो जाएगी.
How about electric brushes?
Sorry?
Electric brushes.
Electric brushes are good, sir. लेकिन you have to be very cautious about the pressure that it creates. So you cannot control the pressure of electric brushes. Only if it is really recommended, only if you feel so. It's not needed.
Yeah, and Dr. Sheetal, how about using clove oil along with the toothpaste?
You use
Clove oil.
glow oil.
Yeah.
Clove
That is just to
oil.
brighten your teeth.
Clove.
हाँ,
Clove oil, yeah,
Long
clove
ka
oil is
tel.
very good. Clove oil is very good for your gums. You can use that. You can add a drop on your toothpaste and use it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Satish.
Yeah, Namdev, I think there's an announcement, so you can go ahead with that. So thank you again, Dr.
Thank
Sheetal,
you.
Dr. Shamal. I definitely got new insights, few new insights. I'm sure सबको नए takeaways जो है वो मिले हैं and enhance our smile. So thank you for this. Yeah, Namdev, over to you.
Yeah. First of all, really acknowledge Dr. Shamal and Dr. Sheetal for taking this extraordinary session. And it will not be only useful for this 100+ audience, but since we have taken a recording, it will be going to thousands of people. And they will be helping in improving their health as well as smiling abilities. So once again, really thank you, both of you and Satish. And yes, of course, our Nilesh for creating this platform for all of us and for the planet. So before closing, what I would like to request you कि आज से हमारा जो English speaking session शुरू हो रहा है, and that will be really a awesome session what we are going to start from today. और जो speaker भी है, then it is not an ordinary speaker, it is an extraordinary speaker जो MPSC, UPSC के लिए एग्जाम के लिए तैयारी करते हैं लोगों की, उनके लिए सपोर्ट करते हैं. It will not मतलब क्या है कि प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए, डॉक्टर्स के लिए या जो भी है इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा सेशन रहेगा. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ इट, बेनिफिट ऑफ इट. एंड अगर आपके कोई आजू बाजू वाले रहेंगे उनको भी बताइए जरा इसके बारे में, सो दैट दे विल ऑल्सो बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस. और देखिए, अगर आज ये डॉक्टर श्यामल और डॉक्टर शीतल का सेशन हुआ आज, तो कितने लोगों को बेनिफिट हुआ यहाँ पे. और अगर ऐसे ही हमारे पास वी हैव गॉट ग्रेट स्पीकर्स कमिंग अप एंड दे विल बी ट्रिमेंडसली बेनिफिट टू ऑल ऑफ अस. सो अगर देखिए आप कितने लोगों को यहाँ पे जोड़ सकते हैं, सो दैट दे विल गेट डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द स्पीकर. सो थैंक यू ईच वन ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच.
Nilesh is on screen. Namdev, Nilesh, you would want to add something? Yeah.
Thank you very much, Namdev and Satish. Thank you, Sheetal and Shamal. मैंने गलती से शामल आपके इसमें सोनाली भी पढ़ लिया था, तो वो मेरा शायद आंखों का नंबर है या मेरे पढ़ने में गलती, आई डोंट नो. आई थॉट हमारे पास इतने सारे डेंटिस्ट आ रहे हैं ना फिलहाल, तो मैं बोला आप लोगों का आप एक दूसरे से सब लोग इंस्पायर होकर सब कुछ हमारे को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं फिलहाल. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत बेहतरीन सेशन के लिए. मेरा अनाउंसमेंट इतना ही है. 7 बजे स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास है. मैं आपको ग्रुप पे भेज रहा हूँ लिंक, तो आप जितने भी ज्यादा लोग ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं कीजिए. और आज शाम को 7 बजे एक स्पेशल स्पीकर है जो लीन मैनेजमेंट पे बात करने वाले हैं, और वो आज बहुत ही स्पेशल सेशन लीड करने वाले हैं, जिनका 23 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है जापानीज कंपनी में. जो बात डॉक्टर शीतल बता रही थी कि लोग वहाँ पे ब्रश करने को भी गेट टुगेदर जैसा एंजॉय करते हैं, तो इसके लिए जापानीज लोग जाने जाते हैं. तो वो चीज आज हमारे बहुत ही स्पेशल स्पीकर से आपको सुनने मिलेंगी शाम के 7 बजे. मेरा रिकमेंडेशन है कि आप लोगों ने अटेंड करना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास समय है तो पक्का आपने अटेंड करना चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सी यू. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh ji.
Thank you, Nilesh ji.
Namdev
आप
ji.
उसकी
Thank
लिंक
you,
भेजेंगे फिर?
Thank you, sir, and thank you, Dr. Sheetal.
Thank you.
पक्का. और एक चीज भूल गया मैं, सॉरी. ओनली 1 मिनट. जितने 100 लोग रह गए, मैं दिल्ली आ रहा हूँ 19th को, तो जितने भी लोग दिल्ली NCR से हैं, अगर आपसे मिलने का मौका मिला तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. सो मैं कोहली जी से संपर्क में रहूंगा और आपके भी संपर्क में रहूंगा. अगर आप दिल्ली रहते हो या NCR में रहते हो, नोएडा में रहते हो, प्लीज मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए, ताकि आपसे अगर मुलाकात हो सकती है तो करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.